Cultural Officer with the Reef Cooperative, also Eric Man. Our Reef Recovery Days out on Dreamtime Dive Snorkel embodies everything that the Reef Cooperative is all about. As Eric Man, I was honoured to lead the work out on Arikantji Sea Country, out on Hastings Reef. This ties in with the Reef Cooperative values of having traditional owner knowledge through all levels of our project.
And this is where we need your help. By booking onto Dreamtime Reef Recovery Days, you actually get us out to the reef so we can do this important work. Once we're out there, you can get hands-on and involved and help us to protect our reef together. Taking place on Arikantji Sea Country at Hastings Reef, we are installing Reef Stars to help our reef recover from disturbances caused by climate change, and you can be a part of this.
We aim to combine both traditional ecological knowledge with modern science and promote this work through the platform tourism provides.
So we hope to see you out there on one of our Reef Recovery Days where you can help us protect our reef. If you can't get out on one of these Reef Recovery Days, you can continue to help protect the reef from home by joining the Great Reef Census and analysing photos from your very own lounge room.